Hey Misfits, Toni Craft here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a really simple skull ring. As long as you have a ring base, you can use really any cheap plastic skull that you can find. I just repainted mine to make it a little funkier, a little more fun. It's perfect. So let's get started. Thank you so much for watching. If you're going to make these for your friends, let me know. And happy October. If you like this video, please hit like. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. And if you want notifications every time I post a video, hit that little bell and you will get them. All right? Thanks so much. I will see you next week.